Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about what is letter of credit. In last video I discussed about what are the process included in the letter of credit. That means issuing bank is issuing LCs. It may have different types: acceptance, revocable, irrevocable, confirmed, transferable, back to back, red close, green close, revolving. And there are so many LCs are there. In this video we will see what are the different types and what is the differentiating with each one. Okay, so in this module, actually JIB paper 3 module B is contained the letter of credit and types of letter of credit. So important topic. And before moving to the types, I have to tell you what is UCP 600. Uniform Customs and Practices for Documentary Credit. I told you in this LC mean that is in between the countries it is happening. For international trade actually it is using for this LC. So for that matter, there are each country following different rules and regulations. So uniform practices we want. That is why this UCP 600 and agreed by the International Chamber of Commerce. Actually, they are introducing this UCP 600 for all the countries. Uniform customs and practices for all the countries that is acceptable. And I'm going to explain the different types of LCs, and sometimes you can see that UCP 600 is not approving that type of LC, sometimes it is approving. So it's different there are different types are there. So let's see. So first one is a acceptance letter of credit. This is a very basic thing, and moreover this one it's also called site LC. The word itself, that is site LC. Within the seeing itself we can see there are some connection with the word site LC. So what is the process happening in the LC? Buyer will approach the issuing bank and producing this LC, and the LC will issue issue that will give to the nominating branch, and this nominating branch what they will do, that will give it to the seller, and seller just after receiving the LC he started shipmenting. That means all the shipment will happen, then document he will get, this document he will give it to nominated bank. So just after giving the documents to the nominated bank, the seller's part is over. That means seller's work is over. That means seller completed his work. Just after this LC have to go to issuing bank, then buyer, then the issuing bank asks to the nominating bank to pay that money. That is the way it is coming. But in this acceptance letter of credit, just after the documents giving to the nominated bank will pay the money to seller. By here the risk and everything is the issuing bank. By the statement of issuing bank, nominated bank will give the money just after the acceptance of the document. That means immediate payment should be made of the bills drawn by the beneficiary. That means he will be protected. That means he will be credited that money just after the document he submitted to the nominated bank. Shipment is already done, that he will get only the document. Just after giving that he will get the money. That is included in the acceptance letter of credit. Next is revocable credit. Revocable, in that word itself we can see that we can revoke. That means while issuing the LC, buyer approach issuing bank and issuing the LC issued, and that is given to advising bank, that is moved to the seller. That is the way it is happening. Just after the issuing the LC, issuing bank is changing that LC or any amending the LC or cancelling the LC without informing the beneficiary or without prior informing the beneficiary or advising bank. That is called the revocable LC. That means can be amended or cancelled by the issuing bank without prior notice to the beneficiary. If the issuing bank produced the LC and it's reached the seller, and issuing bank it is cancelled, that type of LC is called the revocable LC. And one more point is there: if LC reached by seller and seller already shipmented and the document has given to the advising bank, these all the process are started. That means shipmented it's over, document given to advising bank. Just after that in this LC cannot be changed or amended. Nothing we can do with the priorly informed to the beneficiary. So that is called the revocable LC. Irrevocable credit means what? In the word itself, that cannot be credited. that is in this LC is produced advising bank without notice, neither be amended nor cancelled the without the consent of the beneficiary. Without the consent of the beneficiary cannot do nothing in this irrevocable LC, and this irrevocable LC is accepted by what? UCP 600. A revocable LC is not accepted by the UCP 600. That means that is not in the uniform practices. Suppose one LC is produced by the issuing bank, that is not written any irrevocable LC. It is not written that is not a irrevocable LC. It is not even written the irrevocable LC, that is irrevocable. If it is revocable, that have to specifically written in the LC, then only it will be revocable. Okay, so normal LCs are included in irrevocable way. That is the ethical manner that is approved by the UCP 600. Okay, next is confirmed credit. Confirmed credit means I already explained in the process of LC itself. Buyer will produce the LC, then that will give the advising bank. Advising bank will do what? The second opinion will take the confirming branch. That means confirming branch once again will take the confirmation from where? Issuing bank. That means the amount will be creditor. Amount will be creditor just after the shipment. That is called the confirmed credit. That is called the confirmed credit. In this condition, in this thing, what happened actually, if the process is over and shipmenting is over, the document given to the advising bank, even if the buyer is defaulted, who will pay? Issuing bank will definitely pay. That is called the confirmed credit. Here full responsibility is with the issuing bank actually. Issuing banking confirming once again to the confirming bank, then definitely he will give even after that means when beneficiary draws a bill under LC, he is liable even if the drawee fails to make the payment. The drawee fails to make the payment, the issuing bank will definitely will credit. That is called the confirmed credit. Next is transferable credit. That means transferable LC means the word transfer. That means third party has come. Buyer issue the LC and to the advising to the seller. This LC, suppose this beneficiary is just part of a company, suppose part of a holding company, or this is a manufacturer company, another person, another company came over here, another company. So that means this LC came to the beneficiary. This LC he will transfer to the manufacturer with the same right, what he got, the same right he will transfer to the manufacturer. That means manufacturer will shipment the product to the beneficiary, this beneficiary will give it to the buyer, and the same way the document he will give it to him, a seller, and this document he will give it to advising by the process. So this LC here, the transfer of LC happens. Here a transfer of LC happens. This is called the transferable LC. A transferable the credit is one which under the beneficiary can transfer his right to third party. The one third party will come over here. That is called the transferable credit. Another back-to-back credit. It's very important thing, and moreover you have to just concentrate. So buyer issue the LC to the seller. Suppose seller here, it's a trader, it's a mediator over here. So what he will do, like now he doesn't have the goods actually, so he will approach another person for the goods. So before starting the LC itself, he planned everything. Okay. So buyer and seller make a contract here. The same way this seller and the manufacturer make a contract over here. Okay. So LC come over here. Suppose this is for a 1 lakh rupees, or suppose foreign country. Okay. Suppose the $1 lakh, this make a $1 lakh he make a agreement. Okay, this 1 lakh rupees LC make a collateral. What he will do, this will transfer to the manufacturer. So what he will do, he will approach the advising bank and stating that you just make a collateral this 1 lakh LC and produce another LC for 75,000 rupees, $75,000 LC you just produce. Okay, so that means $25,000 is straight away his margin, and 75,000 rupees you just produce for making this collateral of 1 lakh rupees LC. This will give it to the manufacturer, and manufacturer give it to the manufacturer bank will give it to the manufacturer. The same process here happen. What the shipment will go and this document give to the manufacturing bank, and manufacturing bank will give to advising bank, that will give it to here. So what he will get, the goods will get immediately, this goods will move to the buyer. So what here, the document, he got the document, no? This document also he will give it to here advising bank. So there are two LC processes are happening over here, that is back to back LC. One LC came over here, with respect to that he produced another LC with respect to the making collateral, produce another LC, that is called the back to back LC. So here issuing bank will come, advising bank will come, the third bank, who is the third bank, manufacturing bank is also coming over here. Okay, that is back to back LC. There are another type of LCs are there, anticipatory letter of credit. That means in this advance portion is coming. So let's move to the anticipatory letter of credit. So here red close letter of credit, that means normally what will happen actually, a buyer produced LC and LC give to advising bank, and that will lead to the seller, and by that time what to do, that beneficiary have to shipment the products to the buyer. But in this time, while getting the LC itself, he will get some advance for packing the things or making the arrangements for shipmenting, all those things he will get some advances. This is called the red close letter of LC. With the consent of issuing bank, with the consent of issuing bank only, the advising bank will the money to the beneficiary. So the full risk is taking the issuing bank actually over here. Just giving the LC, the time of LC itself, he will make some advance actually. He will be entitled to receive payment only on his handling over the document and the bills drawn under the LC to the negotiating bank. But in this condition, in red close LC, what will happen? Certain credit in the beneficiary will be entitled to get the advance of the prices. This contain in red ink, actually it is in LC, it will be written in red ink. So it's called the red close LC. Green close LC much more than that actually. While reaching the LC to the beneficiary, he will get the advance, not only for the pre-shipment activity, and moreover for the shipment and all, he need to approach the exporting agency. So he have to make a storage place over here. So he need to give the money, cover storage, exporter to cover storage at the port, shipment, all those things. So he will get much more amount as a advance. This is called the green clause LC. And in this, all these things written in a green ink in the LC, that is called the green clause LC. Next is revolving letter of credit. That is another type actually. Suppose in an year, in a 1 year it is happening, this process is happening 12 months. What will happen actually here? So one LC actually will make only one in the year starting, or in a particular financial year starting, or make one LC. Just after the process is over, when it will be the process over, the earlier will be paid. Okay, document LC will get and shipment has done, the document will get, and he will get the payment will get. Just after the payment done, the second process, the same LC have to know. There is no need for the second LC. The process is again and again. He will give the goods and he will buy that thing. So LC will be there. With making one constant LC, he will work on that. So credit through amount is fixed. It can be renewed as soon as the earlier bill have been be paid. So this one with the same LC, all the series of transactions happening, the same LC we will work on that. That is called the revolving LCs. So I think these are the different types of LCs. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please do subscribe and like and share this video to your friends also.